Hi friends, it's time to shift gears a bit. Our main concern will always be you, our customers and our friends. However, we've decided it's time to close Hip Stitch, the physical bricks and mortar store, to the public, effective immediately. Too many of us are in high-risk groups or are related to someone who is. You, our customers and our friends, are more important to us than mere commerce. So our new path is staying connected online. A few of us will be at the store day to day fulfilling online and phone orders. And remember, we'll mail to you, we'll deliver to your home, or we will provide curbside service to you if you pull up to the door. We're working on and we'll be sharing with you videos and how-tos. We're very excited about this. So stay connected with us. Sign up for our newsletter if you don't already receive it. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. But it's time to isolate and create. Nobody ever opens a store thinking they will close it. But here we are. So stay in touch, share what you're creating, continue to shop for your sewing and quilting and fiber art supplies on our website, hipstitchabq.com. And finally, all of us at Hip Stitch send you our love.